You know, when Mitchell and Zaley first started going out, Mitchell never ever exercised, and he'd never get up before 11 or 12. All of a sudden he was getting up early, like 5, 6 in the morning. I'm thinking, what's going on? And then one day I met Zaley, and then I realised what was going on.
Zaley, you truly are a ray of sunshine. From the moment we met, we instantly adored you and knew that Mitchell had met his soulmate, best friend and true love. Seeing the two of you together, your support, adoration and love for each other and your strong family values are our joy. We have felt your gentleness and affection, and we know this is just our beginning.
Zaley and I would make up the best games. We had some intense Olympic games. We made the most awesome bunk bed forts and played the coolest games on PlayStation, classics like Spyro and Bust a Groove and Bug's Life. We had the best Christmas traditions. We would sleep in the same bed and wake up in the wee hours of the morning and sneak out into the living room to see if Santa brought us gifts.
The first time I heard Zaley talk about Mitch, they had met at mutual friends, and she had been working all day and she'd be exhausted and she'd come home. They'd be playing Xbox or something, and Zaley could curl up on a sofa or any spot and fall asleep. And Mitch thought that that was pretty cool. It was like a cat. She could just fall asleep and anywhere. And the thing that Zaley noticed about Mitch was he was concerned about whether or not she had eaten. And she thought that that was pretty good. That's also something that her dad would have been concerned about.
Mitch, although it was 28 years ago, seems like yesterday that I first held you in my arms. Where has the time gone? I fell in love with you the minute I laid eyes on you. I've delighted in your growth. I've watched you blossom through many stages, from those playful childcare and kindergarten days through your primary and high school, and then again when you went to begin a new chapter in LA. We have shared much laughter, joy and special times with family and friends. But the truth about life, as you already know, is it is not only filled with joy, it's also filled with hardship and challenge. In particular, in those early days, there were many challenges and obstacles. It wasn't always easy, but you softened the hard times and magnified the good times. You have a knack of always being there to support your family and friends, to stand by the people you love and know at all times. You're an amazing big brother to Ryan. You have always been there for him, and although you live many miles away, you've made that special effort to keep in touch and maintain a strong relationship and bond.
Welcome to the wedding celebration of Mitch and Zaley. We are gathered in this beautiful place in the sight of God and before friends and family to witness and bless this union. But this ceremony is not just the bonding of Mitch and Zaley, it's the formal beginning of a whole new family. Zaley and Mitch now stand before those whom they love. You are the people who have raised them, taught them, supported them, and shaped them. Because of you, they were able to stand together now, and not just to each other and not just to you, but to the memory of all those who have passed and to the hope of all those yet to be.
You are what I've searched to find, like a sky with no horizon line.
Today, Zaley, I choose you to be my wife.
Today, Mitch, I choose you to be my husband.
I love you as you are,
I love you as you are,
and I offer myself in return.
and I offer myself in return.
I will care for you,
I will care for you,
stand beside you,
stand beside you,
and share with you all of life's joys
And share with you all of life's joys
and all of life's sorrows.
and all of life's sorrows
From this day forward,
from this day forward,
and all the days of my life.
and all the days of my life.
Love is endless. This love is endless. This love is endless. This love is, my love is endless.
This day is going to fly. It's a day filled with friends and family and laughter and love. So I want you now to take just a few seconds and look into each other's eyes. Think about the happiness that you're feeling in this place at this moment. Let this feeling find a home in your heart and in your mind. No one can tell what the future holds. That's part of the adventure. But everyone gathered here, family and friends, pray you feel this joy for the rest of your lives. May the blessings of life, the joy of love, the presence of truth, and the wisdom and strength of God be your constant companion now and always. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Mazel tov!
I hope you will always have each other's back, that you'll always put each other first, that you'll always enjoy each other's company. I wish you every happiness in the world and blessing. To all the people that aren't here, mainly Bubby and Nana, who would be so happy and so proud. We all love you, and we look forward to witnessing all the blessings in your life. We love you.
So number one is don't let little problems become big problems. Number two is it takes two equal partners to navigate and stay on course to your destinations. So number three is look towards the future, but don't forget to enjoy the ride along the way. And lastly, your parents are always manning the control tower. So if you ever drift off course or get lost, just call the tower and we will guide you in, because we love you more than we can say.
What beautiful people you all are, and how lucky I feel, because I really believe that our family hit the jackpot. We are so thankful that Mitchell is marrying into such a genuine, fun, loving, warm family.
Well, your story is amazing. Not only have you found success in your career, but you found love. You've traveled the world and have seen things that some can only dream of. You've attended amazing shows and concerts and dined at some of the best restaurants in the world. All those memories you made together are so precious, and you should never take them for granted. Mitch has shown you what love is, and seeing how much he adores you melts my heart. Zaley, Mitch, I'm so happy you found your moo. So let's raise a glass to the new Mr. and Mrs., and let's hit the dance floor.